Welcome to AER Int channel and welcome back to Surfacing course. Now let's look at this sketch. So we have here some profiles. Here, 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 and here as well. And here we have a guide curves. And now we want to create a surface here. So we're gonna try to use a boundary surface. So let's go here to surfaces and boundary surface. So in the first step, we're gonna create those profiles. This one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Let's go here to curvature display and let's uncheck zebra stripes like this. And under direction 2, here we're gonna choose our guide curves. And we're gonna use this one, and this one. And now let's click OK. Now we got surface like this. And this is surface that we could get by using lofted surface as well. Now let's try to put a surface here. So what we have here, so here we have the edge here. And here we have a profile into guide curves. So let's go to boundary surface. Let's choose this edge as a profile. And this edge. And now we got something like this. But now as we see, this is not a good transition. We want to use our guide curves here. So let's click here. And let's choose these guide curves. And this one. But now we've got this result. And this is not what we are looking for. Now, why is this happening? If we look at the profile that we choose the edge one. But the edge one is from this point to this point. We didn't choose this and this. So we have to go back. Let's clear selections. Let's go right click and selection manager. And make sure we have select group. So let's combine this edge, and this edge. Let's click OK. And now let's add another profile. Right click, selection manager. Let's select this and this. And OK. And now we got what we're looking for. Now we have a better transition between this surface and this surface because we are using guide curves. So the summary of the boundary surface, with the boundary surface, we can create a surface inside the boundary. This is the first advantage. The second advantage, we can create a surface that can be tangent or curvature continuous in both directions. And that's why we can get a better results. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe if you like. I hope it can be a little helpful and useful.